Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what you have seen that gold is trading at a level of $1893.85. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, a chart from, you can say, from first week of March of 23, it had touched this particular level. Okay, and chances will be high it can go further low, and I've already explained you that there is a pattern forming, and when it had started moving below a level of 1942, okay, and 1951, I have already told you that it will go below a level of 1900 and a probability of touching 1885 is there. You can go and check my video where I've categorically told you that chances are very high. Now, okay, till the time it is not sustaining above a level of around 1924 again, we will not see a further upside movement. Okay, because as soon as a trend is downside, okay, and this trend is downside since May of 2023, okay, and chances can be high it can go further down. Okay, this is the first thing. Second thing is that there is a pattern forming in whenever the gold is trading, okay, or moving. We have seen this is a 2-year pattern, this is a 8-month pattern, okay, and before that there is a pattern of 2012 to 2020 which I am not talking in this video. I'll talk it in a month video, in a month wise video. Okay, look at this is a U pattern is forming. Now before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, there are a lot of economic events come, so you have to understand that the volatility will be high on these events, okay, and how to trade these events and how to invest in all these events. If you want to attend my workshop where I teach how to do it, okay, you can mail me and then we can work out on the timings. See, suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are very high it will not sustain, okay, or if it goes below this level, then the next support coming at a level of around $89. Okay, it has already touched a level of around 1885. Okay, so chances are high if it moves below this level we can see a level of $1889, and if that level move further down, then a chances of going towards a level of around 1880 is there. Okay, now once the price started falling below 1880, then probability of going further down we can see, and chances are very high it will touch a level of around 1855. Okay, so once started moving below 1855, then we will see that it will go further low, and probability of going further down we can see, and chances of touching a level of around 1848 is there. Okay, after 1855 we can see a level of 1848. Okay, so once started moving below that level, then we can see it will go further down, and chances of going towards a level of around 1835 to a level of 1827. Again I repeat, because there is a continuous downtrend and chances are high it can go further low. If you are a short term trader, you have to understand that you have to rely on the 15 minutes chart more, okay, or a day wise chart. But if you are looking for a weekly position or a positional that is above 7 days or 5 days, then you have to rely on a weekly basis, because the stop loss and all these things changes, as well as supports and resistance. Okay, so if the price fall below $1827 after 1835, we can see it can go further down, further low, and probability of going below a level of 1823 will be, we can see a level of 1810. If the price fall below this level, a further fall we can see. Now understand, the market is always uncertain. Okay, so if you are thinking that it will go sharp rise or sharp fall, no, it will not happen. It will only happen when there is a big event coming, or there is some news coming, okay, or there is a breakout happening. Otherwise market moves in a normal way, hold for some time, that is how it goes upside. In the same way it will comes down. Okay, so now suppose if the price sustain this particular level, always remember to set your SL. It will save your capital, because market is always uncertain. If you are thinking that you will judge the market, no, nobody judges the market. Okay, you can just predict, okay, on see the trend, but always set your SL so your capital should be saved. always trade your SL so that your profit can be saved. Okay, that will build your confidence and you can earn more, you can get your profit more. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards its next resistance above a level of 1900 and can touch a level of $1902. And if that level also sustain upside, you can see it will go further high and can cross a level of 1911, and chances are very high it will go further upside and a probability of going towards 1918 is there. Okay, now once the price sustain above 1918, a probability of going further high we can see, and chances of touching a level of 1933 is there. As soon as started sustaining above 1933, then you can say yes, a probability of going further high we can see, because chances will be high that it can go further upside and probability of going towards 1936 will be there, and from there we can see a level of 1949. Okay, and if the price move above this level, you will see a pattern will form and chances of going further upside we can see, and then we can see a level of around $1955 and a further high. Okay, as soon as it move above a level of around $1935, you will see a trend towards an upside. Okay, and chances will be high because this is the pattern creating, and probability of saying 1934, then chances are very high it will cross a level of 1982 also if the price sustain above 1955. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.